Today, I want us to look at crypto bubbles live and also analyze Bitcoin. And more to that, I want us to look at some top three AI coins that I believe, if say you get involved at this point in time, it can make a difference in your portfolio. You are welcome once more on the Beton's Crypto. Always excited to be here with you daily, weekly, monthly, yearly, you can name it, to share with you what is going on in the crypto space, what coins to buy, when to buy it, how to go about trading, investing, mindset, all of this good stuff I talk about on this platform. So if you are new here, chill. You are on the right spot. You are gonna be one of those guys. You're gonna be like, say to yourself, wow, I'm happy I stumbled on this channel. So as I mentioned, we're gonna discuss on all this stuff, and yeah, just subscribe and then do all the things that you need to do to help someone grow or help a channel reach out to more people. Like share it, like it, some love. I'm smiling. At least that should be enough. So in the end, I'm gonna give you guys more of these AI coins, but I have top three that I'm gonna specify, but I'm gonna give you more, like six. Yeah, six is enough. And I'm gonna explain to you guys why I chose these AI coins to make some quick gains. If Bitcoin is gonna do what Bitcoin gonna do. I mean, it might happen this week, but whenever you see Bitcoin do this, then know that these altcoins are gonna do so well. Like it's gonna print you a lot of gain. You can see them fly to 30%, 20%, 1x, so you can add some juice into your portfolio. Now, let's dive into this. Let's get into this good stuff. I love saying good stuff, it's good stuff. Good stuff. Let's begin with our bubbles. Now, I love to look at the bubbles. Why? The bubbles gives me what goes on in the market. I can look at coins from the top 100 to the top 1,000 to see which coins are not doing well against Bitcoin. The bubbles in green are the coins that have been doing well this week against Bitcoin. You can see XRP is up 30%. I'll go 25%. Look at other coins, and you can go to look for your coins and see if your coins are doing well against Bitcoin. You can see also this coin AIXBT is doing so well. I think this should be an AI coin, but we're going to dive into more of such coins. But I just want you guys to see on the weekly time frame the coins that are doing so well against Bitcoin. Then you can go to see other coins that haven't been doing well against Bitcoin. Then you can chat them and apply the knowledge or the techniques that I teach you guys on a weekly or daily basis. So you can see some of these coins that are not doing well, that are around the top, let's say from the top 100 to the top 500. You should pay attention to this coin, because if say a coin has made it to the top 500 or the top 1,000, I mean, that's a long way to go. It takes a lot to get to the top 1,000 or top 500 or top whatever in this space. I mean, it's pretty brutal space. You can see Toshi alone is up this week 1x. I was supposed to buy some Toshi, but I didn't buy. But I share some stuff on my X. Those of you who, when I say X, like X on my X, I share something on my X. I'm talking about Twitter. But there's one AI coin that I've been doing well recently, and this coin is FAR. I'm not gonna tell you guys to buy FAR right now, but I think FAR is onto something. Not this one. Let me get that's Fire Fala Network. They have been onto something recently. For the year they're up this much, but yeah, if you wanna like play the big fish game, I'm gonna show you guys how to play the big fish game, like top pro trading game or top pro investing game, so you can take advantage of this coin. But now you can see these coins, they haven't been doing well against Bitcoin that much. They are just up 90%. And if we look at the monthly time frame, let's see which coins this for the past 30 days have been doing well against Bitcoin. Oh boy, Alpha is up this much. Game is up this much. Fi is also up. Hive is doing well. Doge is up. CGPT is up, and PAR has been doing well. Guys, if you haven't been in these coins that are doing well, I'm gonna educate you how to go about getting involved in most of these coins that have been doing well. You can see the rest are in red. Doesn't mean that these red coins or these red bubbles are bad. No, it means their time is not yet come. So if you're holding either of these coins, it's okay. It's okay. We're gonna talk more on that. Now let's get to the Big Daddy. Let's see the actual chart of the Big Daddy. What's going on? Now I'm gonna focus on this chart on this time frame. That's the 1 hour time frame because I want to see what Bitcoin can do this today. And if Bitcoin can do this today, then maybe your altcoins or your AI coins, AI cryptos are gonna do this as well. Now, remember where we left, okay? Don't forget this. We left right down here, around 89, $88,000 for Bitcoin. Okay, Bitcoin went right down that much, but this was a stopping volume candle, and this candle represents pullback or a sign of reversal. If you have been long with me, then you would have bought Bitcoin a long time ago, yeah, down here after seeing this vector candle here accompanied by this stopping volume candle. So this was some sort of like SFE, yeah, and this would have been a perfect buy for you. Now, where are we now looking at this time frame? We are now approaching a previous high. Now, if we go to what has happened in the past, you can see clearly that there is a previous high here around $102,000 that Bitcoin is still below. And I mentioned to you guys that for us to see Bitcoin being back into the game, like it's not as if Bitcoin is not in the game, but if Bitcoin should be back as to say we are now going to be confident enough to buy some of these altcoins, we need to see Bitcoin trade above $102,000. So far as Bitcoin is below this price point, it can still get down to 88. Of course, even if it goes up to above $102,000, it can still come down. But that's gonna give us more urge to consider Bitcoin going up to at least reach the previous high, which was $108,000. So I'm just trying to build an environment where price have been rejecting and price is still struggling to get to key areas. So looking at this structure now, I would say that even though I'm seeing some vectors here, Bitcoin should stay where Bitcoin is. Okay, stay above the alpha trend. I don't want to see any daily, any 1 hour candle close below the alpha trend. We can see candles move around here. This is the alpha trend. This trend that created this buy signal. So I don't want to see any candle close below the alpha trend, like close below. Not to talk of close below the 50-day moving average. So whatever happens, we want to see price stay where price is and move sideways. And if price does that, then there's high chances we are going to break this major resistance here around $102,000. But now, what I'm looking here at is there is this market open here during the ASEAN session. Market open around 100K Bitcoin. So ever since, like, we are now in the UK session, we haven't seen any movement in the UK session. So what will happen in the US session? Is US gonna bring price down to recover this vector candle before pushing price to the upside, or we don't know? Like, I don't know. But what I don't know is whatever happens, I don't want to see any candle close below here, and stay below here. If a candle close below here, I want to see a huge buyback volume to take price back to the upside. If not, then your altcoins are in jeopardy. Only some few altcoins are gonna do well. Okay, so look at this very carefully. Don't just go and buy because you want to buy. You have to understand what Bitcoin is doing, because Bitcoin is the alpha that moves the market. So now, talking about short-term move, this is it. I'm looking at the 1 hour time frame. Now, if we talk about long-term move, let's just see where we are on the daily time frame with Bitcoin. Let's see where we are on the daily time frame. Now, this is where we are on this time frame. Okay, and what do you see here, guys? You can see that price have rejected this zone multiple times. You can see and yeah. So price don't want to go below this level, which is good. And each time we create this SFE here, this stopping volume candle here, price always attempt to go the next high, like to attempt to go create more high. And in this case, we couldn't succeed, but now we don't know if, say, we're gonna succeed yet. But the good news is we are still above the alpha trend on the daily time frame. So I will say that because we are above the alpha trend on the daily time frame, also above the 5 day and 13-day EMA, and also above the 50-day moving average, this should be bullish. Now let's get into this more juicy chart. This is the liquidation heat map, and it shows that we can still come right down to $93,000, right, for Bitcoin for the next 3 days. Now let's look at the next like 24 hours. What can happen, or what could be the price of Bitcoin? So it shows that we can still get down to $96,000, and then right up to about 103, or around the 102 price point, or around the $100 price point. So these are the different scenarios that price could play out. Looking at the liquidation heat map, we have more liquidity below price than above. So you can see that we have more yellowish areas around this 98, 96. So we don't know whether they're gonna go first and sweep all the liquidity around this $102,000, or they're gonna first of all bring it down here. But now let's look at the next 12 hours. Let's see the next 12 hours, what could happen? What can they do? So you can see the same scenario. Like they can do the same thing, take price up here around 102 before bringing it down here, or they can bring it down here before taking it to the upside. So this is what I'm looking at with Bitcoin. This is what could happen with Bitcoin, and this is what could happen with your altcoin. Because, guys, when you are trading, it's not all about you buying that coin. You have to make sure you're going to buy that coin at the right time. Because if, say, you don't buy that coin at the right time, Bitcoin is going to soak, or um, destroy the profit that you're going to make. Let me soak, like drag, tear, like destroy the profit you're gonna make. What I'm trying to say is your profit will be given back to the market, right? Because Bitcoin is not doing anything that much. But again, as I mentioned, Bitcoin is just gonna be that signal, right? So what altcoins should we be buying right now? What are those altcoins that we should be looking at that might make us some quick gains? And I want to focus on AI. Guys, AI is giving us that juicy flavor. When you look at the gains that AI coin gives us, it's fantastic. And wake up a day and you see 25%, 30%. I mean, guys, you can name it. But there's a catch here. If, say, you don't buy this AI coin at the right time, you might find yourself going against the trend, which is not it's not good. Okay, it's not good to buy an AI coin which is not at the right, which is not at the right point in time. You should buy a coin which is at the right point in time, meaning you are buying it at least at the right time. You might not actually catch the right move, but you're gonna look at market structure, what I teach, and see where price is. Is price holding structure, and is price gonna break structure soon? So let's dive into some of these AI coins right now. Let's see if, say, we can get some of it right now. So this is the first on my list. I have this bad boy Vafu, and Vafu is okay, but where I am seeing price right now is amazing, and this is it is more of AI agent launchpad cryptocurrency, and you can see we're looking at the weekly time frame. Let me go to the weekly time frame first. Let's see where we are right now. This coin was launched, and we saw how it pumped right up to this market cap. But now look at where price is. Price is sitting at a clear zone. And when you talk about AI and so on and so forth, this coin is one of those coins that are building infrastructure in the AI space. That's a launch pad. And if you understand more about infrastructure, it means those project that are creating avenues for other projects to come and launch on their platform, or to be relevant by going through their platform, are the coins you'll be looking at or pay more attention to. And Vafu is one of those coins, and it's an AI agent coin. And the second coin I want you to look at here is this other bad boy that I consider one of the top in the space. This is Kibi. Is a Kibo sheep or something like that. And if we look at where we are right now, this coin went right up to 900K. I mean, it went almost. Let's see the cap. Yeah, it went up to. Let me see the cap here. So we can get more on that. So yeah, it went right up to. I want to see the cap, not the price. Let's see the cap, the cap, the cap, the cap.
Okay, I've found this on the web for pick up the cat, the cat, the cat. Check it out.
I don't know why this is not loading. Okay, yeah. So it went almost right to about, I think, what it was, how many million? This is okay, yeah, okay, this is on the base network. Okay, I see, I understand what's going on here. But it's from where we are right now, it's showing that we are around 239 k market cap, but it went right almost to 1 million cap, right? But this coin is sitting at a good zone here. And I believe that looking at where we are right now with this coin, this is keep sheep. Keep sheep should be like, yeah, I think it's sitting at a zone where we could get some quick gains. But what I'm not loving here is this. I'm seeing this liquidity is only about $37,000, $37,000, which is not good. Let me just go to base. Let me see quickly. Let me see on coin market cap to see quickly this Kipshi coin. Let me see what is going on there on coin market cap. So let me go quickly. Yeah, so I can see quickly. But this coin, I was looking at it recently, and it was doing nice stuff. But what I'm seeing now is not good. I want to confirm, guys. Kipsi. I was doing research on this coin, the Keep Sheep, and I saw something really nice. That's why I wanted to buy the coin, but I have to double check to make sure. Okay, yeah, I see. Let me see the cap here to confirm. The cap is at 13 million. Yeah, yeah, it makes sense now. It makes sense. So um I was looking at it on the base network because they have it here on. Let me see the contract here. Okay, let me see. They have it on the base, Arbitrum and Solana. So yeah, so this is awesome. Like, this is the coin that you should look at. It's the same thing, the Kibo ship. You can see it left this zone and it will move right up here, which is awesome. And I really love to see what price is doing right now. At this point in time, it's holding these key levels, and it has been up for the past 24 hours, 24%, which is awesome. And you can see that price has come back to key levels, key support levels. This level has been a key level when price was below, and now price is back here. So this is really an amazing opportunity if, say, you want to get involved in an AI coin that is still yet to pump. So this coin could be that coin for you. So this is the second coin that I have been looking at recently, that I believe can really make you some quick gains, and is in the AI space. So make sure you check on that as well. Now let's move to this other AI coin that I want you to look at. I talk about this in one of my videos, and this is Sim. This is Max. This is more also of an AI agent, and ever since I talk about this coin, it has been rejecting these key levels. Yeah, and how I came about this level is through the Fibonacci tool. I plug it from the bottom here to the top, and it gave me this zone. And ever since, we have been seeing rejection here from this zone, but there's still there's still chances for the price to still come right below here. But the fact that price is holding here for how many days? 1, 2, 3, 4. This is the fifth day. It means maybe they wanna push back price to the upside. But whatever the case, I think this zone is an important zone if, say, you wanna buy some of these coins out as well. Now this is giveaway on coins for you. The next year is this bad boy Sims AI. And the reason why I look at this coin is because of what it did in the past and where it is right now. And you can see that this coin is now at a 3.2 million cap, right? And also is in the same narrative like AI. And looking at the future of AI, most of these coins can really do well. Okay. But this one is a little bit more risky. It's more of high risk because the cap is just 3.2 million. But if this bad boy goes back to 11 million, I mean, that's huge profit. Okay. But this one is a little bit more risky. So make sure you do some due diligence before you get that. Now, let me get into some other AI coins on the Solana chain that I think maybe can be of use here. I was looking at this let me see, this is also on base. Let me get some ones in like AI coins on base. Ali, yeah, Ali. I was looking at Ali. So make sure you check Ali. Ali actually is gonna pump anytime soon. I think so. Because Ali has been down looking at this chart, and don't look more about this 2 million cap. Yeah. This is just on the base network. I think so. Yeah, just the liquidity on the base network. So that gives us this cap. But looking at the project in general, if we go to let's just go to Coinmarketcap or CoinGecko. Let's search for Ali, so we can see Ali where it is in terms of market cap. So Ali, so this is it. Yeah, I think it's not the among the top 500 coins, something like that. If yeah, I'm not mistaken. Yeah, Ali has this 87 million cap. Yeah, let's see the rank. I'm not able to see the rank here on. Okay, it's among the top. Yeah, this is the rank here, 632. So if you go to Crypto Bubbles, you search for Ali, you're gonna see on where it is. So this is Ali, artificial liquid intelligence. It's among the top 500 coins. So or you can click on that to get more details. You can see for the month it's up this much, for the year, and for the week is down. So there's opportunity for this coin to make some quick gains. So other coins that you can look at is VRA, Lux Rare. Yeah, those are the coins, or Alephium. Look at those coins. They can really help you make some quick gains in the space. All right, guys, that's it for today. I don't want to be long. I don't want the video to be too long. I want it to be short so that others can watch afterward. That's it. And don't forget to subscribe. If say you are looking to be part of my community, there are links below where you can join my VIP community. Or if say you are someone who is struggling with your buy, sell signal, you want to learn trading, you want to understand how I go about analyzing the market, you want to learn everything crypto, then make sure you be part of my complete one-on-one session where I teach you everything you need to know about trading, investing, mindset, psychology, all this good stuff that you need to be successful in this crypto space. So make sure you go below this video. All the links are there for you to connect with me. And also, don't forget, I have a free Telegram group. Go there and join. All the links are found there. And like, subscribe, and share. Bye bye. Ciao. Yes, let me fix.